Be the envy of your friends in this 2008 Holden Commodore. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle. Connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, side airbag, stability control, an adjustable tilt steering wheel, power windows, ventilated disc brakes, curtain head airbags. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing these top safety components are included. Find out all you need to know to purchase this vehicle today.